Hello students, today we are going to discuss the difference between 304 and 316 stainless steel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started. The main difference between 304 and 316 stainless steel is the composition and corrosion resistance. SS304 doesn't contain molybdenum while SS316 contains 2 to 3% molybdenum. The addition of molybdenum provides pitting resistance in phosphoric acid, acetic acid, and dilute chloride solutions. In addition, AISI 304 has a 18% chromium and 8% nickel content, while AISI 316 has a 16% chromium and 10% nickel. 304 stainless steel is the most common form of stainless steel used around the world, largely due to its excellent corrosion resistance. It contains between 18 and 20% chromium and 8 to 12% nickel, as well as small amounts of carbon and manganese. The most common form of 304 stainless steel is 18-8 stainless steel, which contains 18% chromium and 8% nickel. Now, as far as properties are concerned, SS304 can withstand corrosion from most oxidizing acids. That durability makes 304 easy to sanitize and therefore ideal for kitchen and food application. It is also common in buildings, decor, and site furnishings. One property that limits its use is its susceptibility to corrosion from chloride solutions or from saline environments like the coast. Chloride ions can create localized areas of corrosion called pitting, which can spread beneath protective chromium barriers to compromise internal structure. Solution with as little as 25 ppm of sodium chloride can begin to have a corrosive effect. SS316 grade is the second most common form of stainless steel. It has almost the same physical and mechanical properties as 304 stainless steel and contains a similar material makeup. The key difference is that 316 stainless steel incorporates about 2 to 3% molybdenum. The addition increases corrosion resistance, particularly against chloride and other industrial solvents. Stainless steel 316 is commonly used in many industrial applications involving processing chemicals as well as high saline environments such as coastal regions and outdoor areas. Also, due to its non-reactive qualities, 316 stainless steel is also used in the manufacture of medical surgical instruments. Alternative 300 series grades can contain up to 7% molybdenum. They provide even better chloride resistance, but such heavy-duty resistance is only necessary in industrial or high concentration exposure conditions. In a nutshell, SS304 is better for oxidizing environment, whereas SS316 is ideal for harsh corrosive environments.